Today, we will share with you a folding work light, which can also be used as an emergency light because it is an energy storage type. The appearance of this lamp is relatively compact, easy to carry, and there are also many necessary configurations. The folding rod connected behind the lamp can be put open for easy carrying and hanging. If it needs to be hung on a rope, you can press a part of the folding rod to hang it smoothly. If there is not enough space for the lamp to be placed, it can be hung directly without opening the folding rod. Alternatively, simply opening the folding bar and placing it on a table on the ground can serve as a fixed support, making its placement very convenient. This lamp is suitable for camping or working in a warehouse. When exploring or camping in the wilderness, it is necessary to ensure that the power supply of the lamp is sufficient. Otherwise, it will become a burden for you. Press the switch once, and a separate large bulb on the side of the light will emit light, which can be used as a flashlight. Press it again, and the front headlights will turn on. In this case, the lighting will be brighter and of course, the power consumption will be slightly higher. The 4 blue grids indicate that the light is fully charged. Why is it said that this lamp can also be carried during wilderness exploration? Because this lamp has the function of emitting a distress signal. It is necessary to ensure that the lamp has sufficient power. This lamp is charged via USB, and the soft plastic attached to the charging port can effectively prevent water and sand damage, preventing damage to the charging port. With such a practical folding work light, we believe our daily lives will be more convenient.